Horizontal distance. A distance measured along a level line. Horizontal line. A straight line tangent to a level surface and always perpendicular to the plumb line. Horizontal plane. A plane tangent to a level surface. Instrumental error. An error caused due to imperfection of the instrument. Interpolation. The process of spacing contour lines proportionally between plotted points. Latitude. The vertical component of traverse line wherein the distance is multiplied by the cosine of the bearing angle of the line. Leveling. An operation of measuring distance, either directly or indirectly, in order to determine difference in elevation between two with surface. Leveling rod. A graduated bodied rod which is conjunction with the level is used in determining differences in elevation. Level line. A curved line in a level surface where all parts of it are equidistant from the center of the earth. Level surface. A curved line in a level surface where all parts are equidistant from the center to the earth. Location attraction. Any influences which prevents the needle to deviate from the magnetic meridian. Magnetic declination. The angle between the true meridian and the magnetic meridian. Magnetic meridian. A fixed line of reference wherein it lines parallel with the magnetic lines of force of the earth as indicated by the direction. Map. A graphical representation of the celestial sphere or the earth's surface. Mapping. The process of depicting or plotting the measurement into a map. Meridian. A fixed line or reference which may be a line in the survey or it may be an imaginary. Natural error. An error caused by variation in the existing condition of nature where measurement was taken. Offset method. An operation usually done the 2 points are invisible where distance between cannot be determined and joining is impossible to take place. Open transverse. A survey which the transverse line do not form a cross figure. Teasing. A rough method of measuring distance usually by calculating the number of steps by the average level of a single step. Pantograph. An instrument with the 4 light links joined together on a parallelogram form used by copying maps. Parallel of altitude. A small circle of the celestial sphere, the plane of which the parallel to the horizon. Parallel of declination. A small declination. A small circle of a celestial sphere, the plane of which is parallel to the of the equator. Personal error. An error made due to the limitation of human to manipulate the instrument correctly. Plane surveying. A step of surveying in which the main surface of the earth is considered as a plane or 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 its perodial slope is neglected. Plain table, a drawing board mounted on tripod used for plotting maps. Planimeter, a device used in finding the areas of figures plotted to scale, especially to those irregular or core boundaries. Plumb bob, a pointed metal weight suspended from a string. Plumb blind, a line directed toward the centers of the earth due to the gravitational force. Preliminary survey, a survey in selected corridor in sufficient details, thus permitting the sticking of the final center line on the ground.